Welcome back from lunch, you double OGs from the beat don't stop till you get enough shot, boy. This is only like a minute long. It's MGK's Breaking News 2. I've heard it twice and then I didn't listen to it after that. I heard it twice that same day because I was like, this thing is fire. Like, this dude is back. So I want to see. I don't remember what he says. I remember one bar about his drip and like a leak on the bathtub or something. I don't know what he said. But let's get to it. I know this. When I heard this, I was like, I'm excited for the album because this is kind of how he introduced that he's gonna have a third album with the title and everything.
I gotta remind everybody when the time is finally mine. I've been killing around for the last 10 years. Anybody gonna fear? Be clear, I'm here like. I don't wanna have to be the one to.
Cause he's Machine Gun fucking Cali, bro. For those who don't know the.
What if I do? I gotta remind everybody when the time is finally mine. I've been killing around for the last 10 years. Anybody gonna fear? Be clear, I'm here like. I don't wanna have to be the one up in the office and slapping the bloggers. They straight out of cop. Baseball bats like an LA dot. I ain't gonna play this year.
The Compton bar was sick. Then he said something about the Dodgers, I think.
No office is slapping the bloggers, they straight out of cop. Baseball bats like an LA dot. I ain't gonna play this year. Gotta upgrade this year. Get a payday in the AK for the naysays in the race. Like I'm feeling KK this year. Got a big day this year. I ain't even the type to do it, but I'ma get a big chain this year. Just so everybody all the way in the back see me whenever I get on the big stage this year. Go look at the speed on the dash and put them on the track. If you think I'm speaking too fast, I'm about to.
When I heard that, I was like, bro, that's fucking sick. Look at the speedometer, bring it here. If you think I'm speaking too fast, you know, it's going like 160 miles per hour, I would say. Nah, like 90, because he can spit faster. He's going 90 right now.
Go look at the speed on the dash and put them on the track. If you think I'm speaking too fast, I'm about to turn everything up until the speakers collapse and make an ass to jiggle like a Kobe Kardashian.
Oh, I didn't hear that the first time. Oh, hold up. He said he's gonna. Hold up. Make the speakers turn up until everything collapse. Make your ass jiggle. Because the speakers. He's gonna make, you know. And then I think he says Chloe. Everybody here that need to relax. And if it's beef, I'm repeating the past. Loose lips get blood like a bitch in a rag. I got drip like a leak in the bath. I didn't catch it the first time, bro. The period bar.
Lips get blood like a bitch in a rag. I got drip like a repeating the past. Loose lips get blood like a bitch in a rag. I got drip like a leak in the bath.
Oh, right there. I got drip like a leak in the bath. Fucking saying the blood part period, fucking rag, and then I got drip like a leak in the bath.
Repeating the past. Loose lips get blood like a bitch in a rag. I got drip like a leak in the bath. I've been on 10 since 10. Solo like Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren, that's the Star Wars dude, right? They can fucking like to avoid the fucking lightsaber. He's that low, because that's how he fucking dodges it.
Hold
up.
Drift up that van. Solo like Kylo Ren. Tokyo drift up that van. Pop don't turn killer like Cam. Penny green sauce like Gotti. Young king on a throne like Joffrey. If I ain't time 10, no combo.
That's the fucking Game of Thrones, right? King Joffrey, that's the fool that like the little kid that like I don't know who's people don't watch it, but I don't want to say what happened to him, but if you guys haven't, I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone's seen that episode. It's like in the second season, I think. Oh, young kid. Okay, now it makes more sense. Yeah, because that guy was like 12 when he was in the. I don't know how old he was, but I can't make some more sense now. Because he's the king in his perspective, in his mindset at a young age.
King on a throne like Joffrey. If I ain't time 10, no combo. Hey, business hotel Diablo. Shit.
When I heard this, I was like, I know he has another one. I forget what it's called. He has this one. He has Hollywood Horror. And then there's another one, which I kind of heard and I didn't really like it. He was like, I think it was the one where he kind of sings. I don't know what it was called, but hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna give you guys a 10-minute break. We're gonna come back and then after that, I'll see you guys in night school. So we got 2 more to do today. Today's homework. Are you guys excited for his album? If you guys listen to MGK, let me know what you guys think. You think it's gonna be like him pretty much saying he wants to be out of Diddy's record label? I don't know what it's called, because I know in Hotel Hollywood Whore, I think it's a diss to him. But are you guys excited for the album? Let me know if you guys are. We'll catch you guys later. I really need a bag of chips, bro, so I can just literally just like plop them here, because I got a dip.